Hello everyone, welcome to our today's English class. Yes, in today's class we are going to learn how to write an effective essay. Essay writing is an important skill that helps us express our ideas, our thoughts and feelings in a clear and organized way. A good essay usually has three parts. 1. Introduction. Introduces the topic. Number 2 is body. Explains the main ideas with details. And 3 is conclusion. Summarizes the essay and leaves a lasting impression. So, today's essay topic is the wonders of nature. Together, we will learn how to organize our ideas and write a meaningful essay step by step. So, dear students, you can elaborate the essay using the following points. First part is introduction. So, nature is the greatest gift to the humanity. It includes mountains, rivers, forests, oceans, plants, animals, and the sky, and many other things. Nature makes our planet beautiful and also helps to support. Now, let's go to the second part, that is the body of our essay. In this part, we are going to mention about the different aspects of the nature which gives us importance about the nature. So first we can write about the beauty of our nature. Yes, in this we can mention about the colorful flowers and the green trees. We can mention about majestic mountains and flowing rivers, beautiful sunrises, sunsets, the rainbows and the starry skies. Also, we can explain about different seasons and beauty throughout the year. Henceforth, we are going to tell about the importance of nature. So, what is the importance? It could be like provides the air, water, food and medicines. Trees give us oxygen and prevent the pollution. Next point can be animals, birds and insects which maintain the ecological balances. And then nature that supports the survival of all living beings. With a new paragraph, we can go with the amazing wonders of the nature, like the seeds that grow into huge trees, then butterflies which are developing from the caterpillar, water cycle which is present in the nature that provides us the water and the rains, migration of the birds from place to place for survival, and also we can mention about the plants that respond to sunlight, water and also the music. Now, one of the important topics, that is our responsibility towards the nature. Yes, we have to plant more trees, save water and reduce pollution, protect forest and wildlife, follow eco-friendly habits and keep our surrounding clean. Moving towards the end of the essay, we are going towards the conclusion. Here in conclusion, we are going to explain about nature as a precious and full of wonders aspect, and that we should love and respect and also protect it. By caring the nature today, we ensure a healthy and a beautiful future for our generations to come. I hope you all have understood the different aspects with the ways of which we are going to write the essay. Now let's go to write an essay. I hope you have understood the steps to write an essay. If you like this video, please give your comments, likes and subscribe the channel. Keep tuned so that you will be getting more information about writing skills and grammar through our channel. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.